We could already be live. We don't know.
We could.
Yeah, we could.
Good. Let me.
We could.
Eyes on the Britannia chat, at least.
We're live.
Oh, I haven't. Oh, hang on a minute. I'm still in Ponytown.
Yeah, I
Hang on a second. I'm still in Ponytown.
We are live.
Hey.
Hello.
Hi, you see how prepared we all are. Hi, everyone. Everyone joining. I hope you have a lovely, lovely day. I'm just saying hello. Big welcome to UK PonyCONLINE. Is it what did we go with?
Cyber.
To the mainframe.
And to the mainframe.
No, the lanyard says to the mainframe because it was like welcome to the mainframe, to the mainframe, into the mainframe. I wasn't sure, so I just checked on the lanyard, and it's to the mainframe, which is a pun.
Yeah.
Simple, because I had people saying that the lanyard was spelt wrong, so it's just a little bit of fun. Yes, you look very, very snazzy, my dude.
Thanks.
Well, Jez has beaten me to it. I've got one too. I forgot I had one. Let me just sport those. I'll join him.
Oh, I'm barely awake, so this is the best you're getting.
You're not alone. I think she just got out of bed.
This is really awkward with the headset on. But it'll have to do. Oh,
Love it.
You're getting a lot of love about your background as well.
I edited it myself very quickly.
Hello, everyone that's joining us from all around the world. But I am a bit concerned that people are saying they're joining us from the US, and I'm like pretty sure you should be in bed by now. So just remember to take care of yourself as well. Hi, I'm Bexy. I'm joined by some of our lovely moderators and our lovely staff on the team and our lovely artists as well. Just a few quick things today. We've got a bit of a jam-packed event schedule. So if you go onto the website, it'll be there. But also, there's also pictures available, and I can try and mock up like a nicer version to sit physically down there. Also, remember to check out our charity auctions over on eBay for Ride for the Disabled Association, and we've also got our Just Giving as well, and our lovely merch store, which I've got the lanyard on right here. And let me watch this fail. But on my lovely little pennant, I've got all the badges. So if you head over to our merch store, you'll be able to see some fantastic artwork. I haven't got the t-shirt on today, so I feel a bit...
I do. Wait, there we go.
Look at you.
Lucky.
So the t-shirt is featuring some of the staff's OCs in a Zoom call, and there's various things going wrong. And I'm not going to lie, the one with Dynasty on mute and talking, how many times has that happened in our meetings? So yeah, I just want to say a huge, huge welcome. And I want to also say, check out the vendors hall as well. There's lots of lovely vendors. I think there's 50 vendors.
Good round number.
There's either 50 or 49 or 48. So
I think it's 50.
I think we hit 50.
Yeah.
So there's so many amazing people to shop from. There's all sorts. You've got all your G1s, your G2s, G3s, G4s, artwork, and there's like so much. I just can't wait. I'm trying to not look there until my break so I can properly get intent and spend a lot of money. And I want to say a huge thank you to the staff and the moderators for looking after and helping make sure that this is a very family-friendly place. We've also got Ponytown, which Jez, if you want to talk a bit about Ponytown, I've sprung this on you, but I don't really know it too well.
It's a really fun chat room where you can make your horse and have a good time. Please come join us at eventblue.ponytown.com. Well, pony.town, sorry. I'm going to put the link in the chat.
That is a good plan, Batman.
Yeah.
I'm just catching up with everyone.
Yeah.
Hello, people.
I'm tweeting one-handed, so...
Oh, wow. That's if anyone wants anything retweeting over the weekend, or as long as it's within, I would say, UK times that are like before 10 p.m, Is that okay, Rascal?
Oh no, I'll be awake the whole time.
Okay.
You fool. You think we sleep?
Just give Rascal a shout over on our Twitter. But again, because we're all lots of us as staff, we are doing like 50 million things. So please don't be offended if we don't get back to you straight away. Like, we will get there. I'm seeing some cats on the screen and I love them. Unfortunately, my dog is very soppy and wet after his walk this morning, but I have bread.
The most important part of PonyCon, bread.
Right, I'm just double checking. I am not missing anything. Cato, sleepers for the week, yeah. Like, I can pretty much guarantee, because I was like, I'm putting the timetable on till 11 tonight, this time, and usually we finish about 10ish. And then I was like, people are going to be annoyed by that. And then I was like, we're all usually awake anyway. So, yes, but we actually get more sleep doing the online cons than we do in the in real life events, because usually we're actually at the venue from 6:30 both days. Which
about that, yeah, about 6:30 till like midnight.
Yeah.
It's great fun. Don't get me wrong, it's fantastic. It's just at the end of it, you just want to just collapse.
The day afterwards, you just there like, and then you have to remember that you've got to check out your hotel room by 12. So
yeah,
and eat breakfast.
I mean,
what's breakfast?
I'm not a person, I'll be quite honest. I know I should, but right, I'm just checking with hello. Sorry if people heard that. I don't know how to turn it off. Let me message. Can someone tell a joke once I find out whether I've missed anything?
Well, I've sunk again, so I've just got. There we go.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
I have no idea. Why did the chicken cross the road?
To get some bread.
To get to the other side.
To get some chicken milk.
Yeah.
Oh dear. Kitty.
So, for anyone who's new to UK PonyCONLINE, I will say that we do have a couple of things, okay? Like, very weird jokes, which I feel like I should quickly explain now before people are like, why is there so much bread? There's a backstory, and it's also a tale of not to trust your moderators with not spreading an accidental meme. So in the staff PonyCon server, we just Sparkler found a bread react to things just because it was funny. So we all just got into the habit of bread reacting everywhere. And then when we went over to the moderators and in there, we started doing it. And they were like, why are you breading? And we were like, oh, this is why. And then they go crazy. The bread went extreme bread. But it's so funny. And like now I've even got bread plushies. So yeah, that's one. And the other one's chicken milk, which Jez invented during one of our writing games. And it was just chicken milk. I've forgotten the whole content of that story. But yeah, chicken milk. And
it was when it was on the last convention, the last online convention. It was you inventing stories. Remember we had that panel? Yeah. And he brought up the chicken milk. That was it. The panel was destroyed. We were just in hysterics.
Oh yeah, eggnog's made from chicken milk.
Yeah.
I don't know why this became such a thing. It's just knowledge, isn't it?
I think it's the way that you were taught. You said it, and everyone was like, "Yeah." But I don't know if anyone shared. Has anyone shared the lovely chicken milk Britannia? Yeah. Have we?
Is it chicken milk Britannia?
I didn't know there was one. Everybody's talking milk in the chat though.
Oh, I can see several people are talking.
Someone says best breakfast.
Bread and chicken milk. Need a third item and you got a full meal.
Oh, how could I forget? We have got the beautiful, amazing Ellie Ray joining us for Q&As on both days, which is absolutely amazing. She's just a whole heap of positivity and light, and she's just so lovely. So she is going to add some absolutely gorgeous atmosphere to the convention. You're able to also book a meet and greet. Got my word. A meet and greet with her over Zoom, and an autograph over on our store as well. Woo. I don't know. Well, I've probably missed like a million things. We are linked between 2 stages, but you can either go direct to our Twitch, or you can go onto the website, and it's embedded in there. Is it embedded?
Yes.
Yes. Cool.
I'm Jez now. Sorry.
That's fine.
We just announced our artist collaboration as well. So it's really cool. It's like you pay for a slot in like a group picture that our arts team are working on, and all of the money goes to charity. So we just popped that in the announcements channel on Discord as well as on our socials, so you should check that out. There you go. That's all you're getting. You're not getting any more from me. I'm trying to shop at the same time.
What's going to be coming up next on this stage is going to be a bingo. I think, even though I wrote the event schedule.
It is bingo, I think, yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Oh, I've just knocked some. Oh, I've just got yes, it's bingo. So we've got bingo, and what we'll be doing in between is we will put out a sheet, an image with all the words on, and then all you do for the bingo is you get a square and you do a. I need more words. We've only written 60 words. I need like 100 words. Oh no!
I'm on it. Give me a minute. You're about to be bombarded.
Did we do 5x5 last time, or was it 4x4?
I can't remember.
I will write the instructions down, but you just pop out a make a grid, put in your own words, and then we'll call them on bingo. Let's see whether I've missed anything. Bexy had a crush. Yeah, literally like. I don't know why, and I don't know if anyone else feeling this, but I am so much more anxious about this con this time round. I'm just So so
everyone tell us we're doing really, really well.
Yeah. Be great.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry. Oh, that's quite funny. Anyway, I don't think I have anything else to talk about. I think I've talked about everything. Go support our vendors. They're really lovely. I'll leave that. And please be kind to each other. Please be kind to staff and moderators. We're all doing this because we want to do this. We don't get any payment, or we're just volunteers. So we are happy to do it and give a good thing. I'm just forgetting words. I've only had
chats are open. Sorry, Bexy.
Oh, voice chats are open, so feel free to chat there. Please keep it a family-friendly server, so like no swearing.
Come and join us on Ponytown if you haven't already.
You might have a conga line waiting for you.
And there's a separate PonyCon chat as well. So keep all PonyCon chat in there.
Yeah. Awesome. So that was, yeah. Also, there's going to be, I know there's a couple of birthdays being celebrated over the weekend. So have a lovely birthday for anyone that's celebrating. All right. Thank you. And I will see you at bingo. Bye.
Bye.
Have fun.